Ron deposited $13,645 in the bank on Tuesday and $6,880 on Wednesday. What is the amount of money deposited by him at the bank in these 2 days? So to find this answer, we need to add the two numbers together. So first I'm going to write down 13,645, and I'm also going to write down 6,880 below, but I'm making sure that my numbers are aligned by their place values. So the 6th is in the thousand spot, so I'll put that right under the 3, followed by the $880. So now that my numbers are aligned, I can add them together. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 8 is 12. I'm going to need to regroup that, so I'll put the 2 down here and the 1 up here. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 8 is 15. Again, I'll need to regroup that. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is 10. I need to regroup the 10. And finally, I get 1 plus 1 is 2. I can put down my comma here. So the total amount deposited by Ron in 2 days is $20,525.